Alright, we here. We have made it to the blind. I had to go walk back and get the Mojo pole, so I am tired as can be. I can't feel my legs. But it's almost shooting time. We got like a couple minutes. We're all loaded up, Mojo out, decoys are out.
Oh, that's not true.
What do you mean not true?
I'm not loaded.
Oh, he not loaded. He need to get up with the game plan. But yeah, we here. We ready. We about to get into some action, baby. I ain't even got my claws on my neck yet. Shows you how freaking prepared I am. But we about to get after it. Hopefully we can do some shooting early than yesterday. Get a little bit of action early. But we're gonna see how it comes. They got more hunters out today than yesterday for sure. I don't think there's a person out here yesterday, but I see some guys back over there early this morning. But we're gonna get after it, so catch y'all later. We got another group coming our way, Don't call. Don't want to get kicked out. Ladies and gents, we just had some excitement real quick. We didn't have time to throw on the GoPro, but we got us a bufflehead hen. 3 of them came in, and we kind of rushed our shots because we got excited. I like never even killed a bufflehead before, and we don't know who shot it because we just do not know at all. So I don't know who's gonna claim it. We're just gonna all claim it. Forget it. But yeah, it happened, but it's pretty slow right now. That just happened, so hopefully it picks back up some more. Shit, my bad. But yeah. Can't believe we missed that Drake though. We fired 9 shots.
Yeah.
Missed all 9. We rushed it. We got excited. Buffleheads. You get excited down here. But yeah, we're gonna keep kicking it. Hopefully something else comes in. Get this hunt started. But we got the skunk off, which is good. Which is dang good. So yeah, let's get after it. Shoot him, Zach, right there, right. He landed. He clicked. What the fuck? I'm out. I folded him. Walking up to this bird, I just cream pied. Old doggery, some old scalp. No bad. Young Drake. Looks pretty nice, huh? Oh yeah. The partners, all right. We just had 2 little scalp come in. I creamed that one, and then this other one, she landed over here by decoys, and Zach's gun over here clicked for some reason. Probably just a bad shell, it seemed like. But and then Zachary shot all over. Yeah, the other Zachary and Zach. Zachary BB's all around it. And she just got up and flew away like nothing even happened. So she was, I guess she deserved to live.
Yeah.
Stupid doggery, but yeah, it's slow. It's just slow. We playing I Spy and all, just passing time.
I was lucky enough to get those 2 come in, so
yeah,
hopefully it picks up.
Yeah, hopefully it pick up. That's what we're hoping for. We got 2 so far. Got that scalp right here. This that hidden bufflehead from earlier. Nice little girl. But yeah, we're just gonna keep kicking it along slowly but surely. So yeah, later. All right, boys, we just out here moving a couple decoys around. Try and change up the look. little bit. Might turn off this mojo. Just give them a different look. A little something here, a little something there. You know what I mean? Yeah, y'all know what I mean. There in that hole. Perfect. Plus that little teal out there. How it looks. They look further enough out? Alright, bet. I think I should turn off the mojo or keep it on. I'll keep it on. A couple groups don't want to work next, I'll turn it off. Alright boys, we just moved the decoys a little bit. I'll throw these dogrees out a little more. Figure something out. Catch y'all later. Jump them up. Hey!
Well, I don't want to shoot now, he's right in front of the fucking decoy.
Throw you going up again. Woo! Woo! Hey, dummy! Get up! God damn, stupid duck. Don't curse. Oh. Hey!
You get somebody to hold my gun?
Throw your guns up, man! Somebody walk out the blind, bro. Go chase him down or something.
I'm about to shoot. Should I shoot? Shoot him, Zach.
Hey, somebody just water spotting him already.
Load another shell.
Throw me a shell. Oh my God, hurry up, he's swimming away.
Come on, son.
Oh! He's diving on you. All he got is one shell. Shit. Here, throw me one.
Yeah, no, just send my gun.
Jamie.
Yeah, give me a phone. I could,
I'm a video it. Shoot him! Shoot him, George! Shoot him! My God! Grab him! Hey! Let's go! That was funny. That was funny. We just chilling. We were talking about the double greens. One just comes in the decoys. That was funny. Oh, he's just swimming right here in the decoys. And I'm like, get him. And we tried jumping them up and he don't want to jump up. So I mean, it took him a few shots, but it's all right. We got him. Slowly scratching him. That was funny though. That was cool. All right.